Stop scrolling if you want to master the art of silent attraction now. Ever wondered why the quietest person always commands the whole room? You do not need to speak a lot to become the most magnetic person. True power lies in the mystery you create by holding back your words. When you talk less, you force others to pay more attention to you. Start by mastering the art of deep and unwavering eye contact now. A steady gaze shows high confidence without saying a single word. Your body language speaks much louder than any sentence ever could. Keep your shoulders back and take up space to show your dominance. The secret is to listen more than you speak in every conversation. People love to talk about themselves, so let them lead the way now. When you finally do speak, make sure your words carry heavy weight. Short and thoughtful answers are much more impactful than rambling. Mystery is the ultimate tool for building an intense attraction. Do not reveal every single detail about your life to new people. Let them wonder what you are thinking and what you will do next. A slight smile can be more charming than a loud and noisy laugh. Focus on your own energy and let others gravitate toward your vibe. Confidence is quiet, while insecurities are always loud and needy. Wear clothes that fit well and reflect your unique inner strength. The way you move should be slow and deliberate to show control. Never rush to fill the silence, because silence is your best ally. Being comfortable in the quiet shows you are truly self-assured. Watch how people react when you simply observe them with a smile. You'll notice that they start trying harder to impress you now. Attraction is about the feeling you leave behind, not your speech. Become a master of your own presence and watch the world change. You have the power to influence anyone just by being still today. Stop chasing attention and start attracting it with your silence. This is the ultimate psychological trick to win any social game. Try this approach today and see how differently people treat you. You will become the most interesting person in any room you enter. Silence is not empty, it is actually full of potential and power. Master this skill and you will never have to chase anyone again. The most attractive version of you is the one that is composed. Take a deep breath and let your actions speak for your character. Your silence is your strength, and your mystery is your magnetism.